Hello all, welcome to our License Kitchen. Today's recipe is spicy prawns gravy. Let us see how to make spicy prawns gravy with a simple and easy method. I have taken prawns, I have cleaned and I have kept them. So let us add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. I am adding about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Along with that, I am adding 2 spoons of garam masala and half a spoon of turmeric powder and 2 spoons of chili powder. You can reduce the chili powder as per your required spiciness. And I am adding coriander powder about 4 spoons. And I am adding 1 spoon of salt. And on top of it I am squeezing half of lime. You can also add 1 cup of curd. It will give you extra flavor. But now I am adding only half of lemon. Let us mix this all together evenly until the complete prawns is coated well with this masala. Like this. Now it is coated well. Let us close it and allow it to marinate for about 2 hours. You can also marinate it overnight. It will give you extra flavor to this. I am marinating it for about 2 hours. Now you can see the prawns is well marinated with this mixed ingredient. So let us start proceeding further and making this gravy. I have placed a kadai. Let us add oil. I am adding about 6 to 7 spoons of oil. Oil is the main ingredient for this recipe. Prawns fry will look nice only if you add too much of oil to it. Now let us put this marinated prawn in the oil. Roast well in this oil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let the prawns cook well. Until it completely fries along with this masala. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure occasionally you stir it from the bottom. Otherwise it will stick to the pan. You can see the prawns is cooked well in the masala. Kindly note, I have not added water at all. The prawns has to fry well. For this ingredient, for this recipe, I am not going to add water. The prawns will be fried well with this masala and the tomato. See now, the oil is separating from the masala. Stir well from the bottom. And at this stage, I am going to add tomato puree. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomato and I have made puree out of it. Let us add this. Mix well. Now we are adjusting the flame to high from medium. Keep it in high for some time until it boils. Later you can reduce the flame to medium. The prawns has to be cooked well with this masala. So let us cover the lid. Let us cover the lid and leave it to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Occasionally you take the lid and stir in between, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pan. So you can keep adjusting the flame from medium to high. Now it's cooked well. You can see the oil is separated well. You can see without adding water, I've got this much of gravy. The prawns. Now the prawns is also boiled well. At this stage, I'm adding fresh chopped coriander leaves. Let us stir this well. You can check if the prawns is cooked well. You can just cut like this in the knife and see it is cooked well. Now let us mix the coriander well and cover it and leave it in the simmer for about 5 minutes and then remove it from the flame. Now the spicy prawns gravy is ready to serve. You can serve this with ghee rice, rotis, pulkas or even butter naans. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.